Must be what, 45 in here? All at 10 outside, yeah. Maybe 15?
With no windows? Not bad.
Yeah. Winter came to the cabin project. Ford got one window in. It was a miserable 20-degree day and snowing. And we wrapped the whole outside of the building with another layer of Typar, try to protect the foam and keep the snow from blowing inside and getting all caught over the strapping. Ford worked on when he could, cutting, prepping, getting strapping on, and doing whatever he could do when the weather was permitting. Just to review, here's a quick diagram of the wall. So the basic concept is the entire building is wrapped in foam, and then outside of the foam there are crisscross of strapping so that siding can be attached, and so that any water that gets through the siding will be able to evaporate out or move up or down this drainage plane. I couldn't get those top ones to go in
at all.
We're just gonna, well, we'll put it at 10 inches. They'll go all the way through into the rafter, but I couldn't hit the framing behind there.
All right, I'm gonna leave it.
I'm gonna give you this one. You ready? Hey, hold on. Nice catch.
You can just grab those. We'll clean off.
That's what a table saw is for. Cleaning the ice off of wood. That's why it's got a table. Are you putting in those 5 inchers now?
Yeah. I was just putting that first piece of strapping on. But no, my tape snapped and fell all the way down and landed just like that. This is like a fucking... Let's see, what year was this tape built? It's garbage. It's like my 10th fucking tape this summer.
I'll have to bleep that. And we should be able to just fold this screen up like that. Get the bug protection. How do your hands like this 8 degrees?
So far it's not that bad. Constantly running out of these fucking staples. Alright, stretch tape.
That really is cool. But eventually, spring came, and Ford got back to work putting in windows.
Maybe have Lily and Jake catch it inside, Curtis on the rope, and then we'll screw it off on either side.
That's fine. Yeah.
Do you have a ladder?
Yeah.
Yeah. However you want to do it.
So, and the only thing is, I don't know if I'm gonna. Because right now there's no shims on the bottom right there.
Yes, we'll go into the place.
The only reason to do that is so the straps come out easy. They're, you know, I think it's gonna go
Even
in
just
a
a thing like a 1/4 inch shim.
Dude, I don't know. Wait, it's gonna be close.
Are you okay?
I'm putting you down. What are you
That
doing?
ladder sucks.
What the fuck's going on? Set it up.
Yeah. I mean, the shim's the only thing they're gonna do is let the hook come out easy.
Right.
So I guess we don't need them.
Okay.
I mean,
Get all the way in.
if you
go off the ladder, it's fine.
They couldn't carry me up here. I couldn't reach.
if you pull it back, it should auto lock. It should. Yeah. You have one?
Yeah,
I almost died.
Like if you
I was hanging from a tree.
see how that thing it goes through?
Yeah.
See how it's straight now?
Yeah.
If I let it out real slow and
Oh, I
go
got
down,
it. Yeah.
if I pull up on it and then I pull out,
Oh, and
you know,
got it.
you don't even have to tuck it out. Even if you just let go, it automatically
Okay.
unlocks.
Okay.
So it's actually a really sweet little tool.
Yeah.
All right, we good to go?
Okay, sure.
This is.
So if shit goes wrong, Curtis,
Get the fuck out of the way.
get the fuck out of the way.
Yeah.
Exactly. You're the one that seems like you're probably in the most danger.
Alrighty.
All right.
So watch your head if that does snap, Jake. I'm thinking we guide this up, Dad. No.
Yep.
How's she moving, Curtis?
It's possible to do, but it is still a lot of work. I mean, you're still doing the work of lifting that window all the way up. Mosquitoes.
I saw a couple.
So we're gonna look at that strap. We're gonna have to set the bottom in.
Okay, so have them. So Lily, can you guys go down on those straps? Come in. You're gonna pull the bottom in. Got about another.
Yeah, no, I'm just.
About another. Okay, start going slower, Curtis. I'd say you got another 6 inches.
Yeah.
You're almost in. Hold it right there.
Okay.
Excellent.
A little more, Curtis. Okay.
Ready? Okay, now if Curtis
Wait,
slacks.
which way? Tight on the sides.
Come in.
Yeah, you're gonna have to be almost under it, I'm afraid.
All right.
If
So
you pull down a little bit,
hang on. I don't know if this. What's the plan here? He's gonna loosen this.
he's gonna loosen it, but he's not gonna loosen. He's not even gonna be able to loosen the lot the way that thing works. So
Yeah.
he just gets enough slack so we can push the top in. Is
Yeah.
the top clear?
Just you guys. Yeah, you guys hold. Make sure you're holding the bottom
I say hold the bottom.
because the bottom's what's gonna kick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good point.
Alright.
All right.
So pull a little bit, you think?
Yeah, you may have to pull a little bit and then let up.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, that
Okay.
yeah, you're getting it.
All right, guys. We're gonna wiggle it in.
Yeah.
A little more, Curtis.
I'm trying.
Yeah. It's a little,
Yeah.
it's actually kind of a pain in the ass. It's working though. You're getting it.
You are getting it. Yeah.
What'd you get?
1 big one and then 5 smalls.
Huh.
Soaking wet now.
Will the big one replace the one that fogged?
No, not directly, but I'm thinking I could even do. Well, these 3 are the same size.
Yep.
If I had a 4th, I
Yep.
could just do 1, 2, 3, 4 where they fogged, and then I'd have to put these ones are almost 5 feet. I have to put those downstairs. So.
Huh.
Or I could use this one. This is the nicest one, but
Where'd you get them?
Craftsberry,
How much?
$200.
Wow.
Yeah.
They're all thermal panes?
Yep.
Nice.
Those ones, I guess they were put in, but there's still stickers on some of them. So.
Cool. All right, let's